A welding machine, also known as a welder or welding power supply, is a piece of equipment used in the process of joining materials, typically metals, together by melting them and fusing them at the joint. The primary purpose of a welding machine is to create a strong and permanent bond between two or more pieces of metal. Welding is a crucial process in various industries, including construction, manufacturing, automotive, aerospace, and more. Here are some key purposes and functions of a welding machine. 1. Joining metals. The fundamental purpose of a welding machine is to join two or more pieces of metal together. It accomplishes this by melting the edges of the metal pieces and allowing them to fuse as they cool, forming a strong and durable connection. 2. Structural fabrication. Welding is commonly used in the construction of buildings, bridges, pipelines, and other large structures. Welders are essential for connecting structural components like beams, columns, and girders. 3. Manufacturing. Welding plays a critical role in manufacturing processes, where it is used to assemble various metal components in products such as automobiles, appliances, machinery, and fabricated metal goods. 4. Repair and maintenance. Welding machines are used for repairing metal parts and structures that have been damaged or worn over time. This includes fixing cracks, holes, and other defects in metal surfaces. 5. Custom fabrication. Welding machines are used in custom metal fabrication shops to create bespoke metal products and structures based on specific design requirements. 6. Automotive and aerospace. Welding is used extensively in the automotive and aerospace industries for manufacturing vehicles and aircraft components, such as chassis, frames, and engine parts. 7. Shipbuilding. Welding is crucial in the construction of ships and boats, where it is used to connect the metal plates and components that make up the vessel's structure. 8. Oil and gas industry. Welding is employed in the fabrication and repair of pipelines, drilling rigs, and other equipment used in the extraction and transportation of oil and gas. 9. Artistic and sculptural work. Some artists and sculptors use welding machines to create metal sculptures and artistic pieces. 10. Repair of metal equipment. Welders are used to repair metal equipment and machinery in various industries, ensuring that they continue to function safely and effectively. There are different welding processes, each with its specific application and welding machine requirements. Common welding processes include arc welding, such as stick, MIG, and TIG welding, gas welding, oxyfuel welding, and resistance welding, spot welding and seam welding, among others. The choice of welding machine and process depends on factors like the type of metals being joined, the thickness of the materials, and the desired weld quality.